thought this was supposed to be loud. I don't hear it. One of those electric bikes.
Yeah. All right, homie. Ride safe.